Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to showcase a neat feature Wallpaper Engine has, which are the playlists. So, playlists are a group of wallpapers that Wallpaper Engine will automatically shuffle between, and they can be a nice little touch to add to your personalization, just so things don't get a little stale. So, first thing we want to do is open the Wallpaper Engine control panel, which we can do so by double clicking the system tray icon. Once here, you're going to look at the bottom of your control panel and look for the playlist bar. You'll notice that it says here add wallpaper. So let's go ahead and select the wallpaper real quick. Maybe this one, this one, this one, and this one. So these are all space themed wallpapers, which is why I want to shuffle between them. So they're automatically added to our playlist here at the bottom. We can see their small previews, and then we can even configure how it shuffles between them. Let's click on this configure button, and now we can see the triggers. The change wallpaper trigger. You can set it on a timer when logging in, time of day, day of week, or never. For this example, let's just do on a timer. Let's set this from 0 hours to 1 minute. The order can be pretty much random. I'm not too stingy about that. Transition time and transition type, I'll leave it to the default. Change wallpaper when the video ends. Allow wallpaper to change while paused. So this means when you have wallpaper engine minimized, or rather you have another window open which blocks your desktop, it means you can still allow your wallpaper to change when you don't have your desktop in view. Always begin with the first wallpaper, sure, why not? And let's go ahead and click on OK. So let's save this and let's name this playlist base playlist. Click on OK. And yeah, let's click on OK. Let's go to check out our desktop. And actually, I can't mute that. I'm not such a big fan of having audio on my desktop. There we go. So now it should automatically cycle between the selected wallpapers in the playlist. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a minute to play out and see the transition in real time. So there's a transition. It went from one wallpaper to the other. So pretty seamless, I would say, and I'm very happy with how that looks. And yeah, that's how you can use the playlist function in Wallpaper Engine to take your personal customization just one step further. So I hope you're able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.